Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. We have the premiere. Whoops. Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. And today we're looking at something really cool and different. Halloween season is here, and these are called Dunkin' Donuts, basically Dunkin' Mystery Boxes. That's what they're called. And they're very cool and very different. Now, I was at the store yesterday and this was full. And I was talking to my guest who's here today with me. Say hello. We're going to do an unboxing. These are mystery boxes, so we don't know what's in these, right?
Yeah, but it says on the back.
So it gives you an idea. Can you tell them what it says in the back of it for me? Yeah, go ahead. What does it say?
Coin purse.
Yeah.
Keychain.
Yeah. Bandana. And a button pack.
Yeah, button pack.
So these are the
basically like for the button pack pins.
Button back pins. Okay, so the different pins that are in here.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what's in here. So this is a mystery. So this was full, and there was a whole bunch in here. Though I think there was like 12. There was like a dozen in here, and I was telling her, and I said that we got to go back and get them. So we went back today. There's only 2 left, so we grabbed both of these, and they gave us the box, which was kind of fun. So I liked all the artwork on the box was really cool, and so they're called Dunkin' Mystery Boo Boxes, right? Yeah, so that's what they're called. So we're gonna open up one at a time, and we're gonna see what's in each one of these. So we don't know what's in each one of these, right?
Yeah.
We don't know. So let's shake this one. Let's shake it over here near the microphone. Yeah, that sounds interesting. Now let's shake this. I'll shake the second one. They sound a little different, right?
Yeah,
okay.
I feel like this one might either be the keychain or the coin purse, and this one might be, I feel like, the pins.
The pins. Oh, all right. So let's do the second one then. Let's not do the first. Let's go right to this one. Okay, so let's get this out of the way. So here's the cool box. Just wanted to show you the artwork on the box, which is really fun, right? Okay, so before you do that, 1 second, let me just move this out of the way. And that is out of the way. Now we need to show it, keep it right here when we do it, okay? Get close enough. Yep. Okay, let me get a little zoom in a little bit, okay? Like that. Okay. So now we can see it.
Yeah.
Here is the box. Okay, now you can open it. So you just pull right here, this little tab.
Yeah, I know.
Little tab right here. We're going to pull this together. Yep. Okay.
Ooh.
All right. You go right ahead. So this is the first mystery box. Well, we have 2. So stay tuned with us. Stick with us. And don't forget to like, share, and what? What do they have to do?
Subscribe.
Right. Don't forget to subscribe. That's no fun without it, right? Let me help you with that.
Okay.
Oh, that's a little sticky, huh?
Yeah, it's a little.
Oh, wow. That is stuck. Let me help you. Let me get it. Oh my God, it's really stuck. They don't want you to open it.
Yeah, they want to stay live.
Oh, wait a minute now. Here we go. Oh,
we got the keychain.
the keychain. Oh, I didn't know. I thought it was like a couple of different things in here. So let me take a look here. So it says
Wait, is there anything else? No.
Frosted Fate. That's all it says. Let's open it up and take a look at it.
Yeah. All right, let's just move this.
Yeah.
Out the way.
That's good. It's kind of cool. It's actually heavy. It's nice quality.
Yeah,
Move this out of the way.
it's gold on the back if you were wondering.
Yep, it's gold on the back. Yep. And let's take this out of the way.
And it has that little spider donut right there.
Oh yeah,
If you
let's
look
get a
up
close up of that. Yep. Let's get a close up of that. Here is the actual keychain. It says Frosted Fate. Frosted Fate. It's a spider with a donut. Now, it looks kind of fun. I like this. It's a cool keychain, actually. It's actually really nice. I like this. This is, in fact, very different. Don't you think so? Now, is it heavy? What do you think about the weight?
It's not that bad. It's pretty heavy, but
Pretty heavy?
good.
Yeah, you think
Here's
you
another
think so?
close look.
Well, what size is it? Let's take a quick measurement of it, then we'll go on to the next box. So this size here is approximately, let's see what we got here. So almost 2 inches. Almost 2 inches, and then this is roughly about an inch and a quarter, give or take, 1.5 inches if you get this little bump out right here. And it's all gold. All right, so that's what this is. That's the first one. Now, how do you feel about that surprise? Do you think it was worth the surprise? These weren't cheap. These were like $6, and they weren't free. Yeah. So how did you feel that surprise was? Do you think it was a good, bad surprise? How did you feel about that?
I would rate it maybe a 7 out of 10.
A 7 out of 10. Now, why is that? Because you think it just wasn't a good enough surprise?
It was like a little smaller than I expected, but I did really like it, and they never had stuff like this at
That's
Dunkin'.
true.
It was pretty cool, so that's why I give it a 7.
That's actually that's very intelligent. I have to say you're right. You're right on the money about that. About the 7, I like that. That's actually very interesting and cool. So I love that analogy. It's very smart. All right, so we'll put that back in here.
Yeah.
So that's the number 1.
Open the next one.
Okay, we'll open up. I wish we had more to open it.
Yep.
So this sounds like something different.
Yeah.
Okay, let's open that one up. Let's
Hopefully
just pull.
it's something
Hope it's
else.
something different, right?
Okay,
I know.
let's get that.
Yeah.
I feel like this one might be able to be a little easier. Yes, it was. Okay.
Okay. Oh! You got the button pack. Oh, this is awesome, guys. Now
Wow,
this
these
is.
are bigger than I expected.
Yeah, now these are really cool. Now, I thought this was the best one personally I saw some other ones online, but look at this. Let's take a good look at these. You get 4 awesome buttons. Wouldn't you think so?
Yeah.
So there's 4 different ones. We have, this one says Boo Dunkin. I like these. These ones are
And
like,
it's kind of like the spider donut
yeah,
peeking out.
spider donut. And then we got Frosted Fate again.
Yeah, it's kind of like the keychain we got.
Yeah, you can take that off if you want to. Yeah. Now this one here is says saucers, Dunkin', the bag. So saucers, the bag. Okay. And this one says creepin' caffeinated. Creepin' caffeinated. So these are all Dunkin' themed. Yeah, creepin' caffeinated. Yeah. Boo Box buttons. So you get 4 cool buttons, and we got also the cool keychain. The cool keychain like that. And these are actually nice buttons. I'll give you a measurement on the buttons too, right? Let's take a look at those. Let's take a quick measurement of these buttons. Yeah, let's take one out. Yeah, let's do this one. I'm glad we got the buttons because I think the buttons are cool. I like the buttons.
Yeah.
Here we go. Let's do this button here. Right there. And let's just see how big this button is roughly. It is around 1.5 inches. Right here. There's 1.5 inches right there. There's the size of the button. Whoop. Okay.
Should we take them all out?
No, I think let's leave them on. This week I want to show everybody again. So let's put this one back on. We'll get a little close up. So that's what we got in this mystery box. We got the keychain and the button. So let's take a quick look at the buttons, guys. Here we go. Hear that? The Boo buttons right here. This one and this one here. You know, the buttons. And I like this. The actual the baguette. This promotional packaging. I like this a lot. So out of these 2. What do you think is the better one?
So maybe it would actually be the pins, and my favorite pin is this one.
This one here.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's like a flying saucer and everything.
Yeah, it's kind of like in space-ish too.
Yeah, spacious is good. I like that. And then what's the second favorite of all these here? All these buttons.
It would be this one.
The Boo Dunkin. Yeah, I like them. So 1 out of 10. Well, how would you rate this?
I would rate it a 9 out of 10.
I think you're right on the money out of that. So this is a 7 and this is a 9. And this is what we got in our Dunkin' boxes. They're actually fantastic. So here are the 2 boxes that we got. We opened them up. And I really thank you so much for being my special guest today and helping me. Because you know what? I couldn't have done it without you. You were just amazing. You knew exactly what to say. And you're just really enjoying that. Do you enjoy doing these type of things?
Yeah.
You have a lot of fun, right? So what do we say to the people out there? Don't forget to
Subscribe.
Right, and like and share, right?
Yeah.
All right, appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed this little fun episode on your review channel. We'd like to keep it light and fun if we can, especially when I have my special guest here, and she knows what she's doing. She has all the ideas, and she saw this right away and says we have to get that because this is awesome. Don't you think so?
Yeah.
All right, awesome. All right, guys, appreciate it as always. Don't forget to follow the channel for more, and thank you. Bye, and don't forget the thumbs up, right? Let's do the thumbs up together. Thumbs up, right? Thumbs up.
Bye,
All right, guys.
bye.
Bye. And I'll see you at the next review.
Bye.